In this vlog, we will deal with the state management concept GetX. So GetX is not only a state management but also it deals with the dependency injection and routing mechanism. So first of all, let us get through the basics of the GetX. And in our previous tutorials, we have seen the state management concepts like block, provider and MobX. So I am providing the links for these tutorials in the description section below. If you have missed them, may have a look at them so that you will be understanding what is a state management. So yes, first of all, let us try to get into the GetX and now see a simple basic example of how we can make use of GetX in our project. Here we have added a GetX plugin here. So here you can see get, and I have provided the current available version in PubSpec. This is the first and foremost step you need to make sure for making use of get in your project. So now let us start with our programming. So as usual, let's import the material.dart file here, void main. So this is the beginning for our programming. So run app, and here I am specifying my app. So now let us provide the my app also here. So I will be considering a stateless widget now, my app. So now let us try to return a material app. So yes, as we are dealing with the GetX, we can also make the material app to get material app. So for which you need to add an import get.dart. So here you are having get.dart import here. So our get material app gets recognized now. So inside which, as usual, you can just specify your scaffold here, and inside this scaffold we are having app bar. So app bar, I am specifying our basic title, like we are dealing with GetX currently, so let's provide the same. Also provide the body here, inside which I will be considering a column. So now we'll be having a list of widgets. So basically we are just considering a single widget for this tutorial, and that will be like text button. So when you press this particular text button, we need to make sure we are providing a snack bar, the two with the help of a getX. And the most important factor here is we are not making use of the context. So inside the child, let us provide a text widget here, and this will be like text snack bar. So yes, now inside the onPress method here, let us try to make use of get dot. So here you are able to see the snack bar as the first option. So select it, and here we need to provide the title for our snack bar. So let us provide a title, example and message showing the snack bar using getX. So this is the sample message I am providing here, and provide a semicolon after it, and now we are good to go. So just save your code. So now let's go through the output, and yes, our app is now successfully installed on our simulator here, but you can notice that our button is top left. So inside the column, let us make use of the main axis alignment and make it to center, and also add a center widget to our column. And yes, now we are good to go. And here you can see we got our button in the center of the screen, and this currently we are using a text button. So now let's tap on the button and check the output. Here you can see on the top you have got a snack bar, and it was of a very short duration. So don't worry, we will try to extend the duration and show you again. So here you can also see we are getting the status like opening the snack bar and closing the snack bar. So sometimes depending upon the functionalities, you may need to track the snack bar also. So there you can just make use of this, listeners. So now let us get through the snack bar example. So here when you tap on the snack bar here, so here you can see there are a list of parameters for this snack bar we can make use of. So we have provided title and message, and we are still having color, duration, and all these things. So let us try a few out of them. So now basically we are getting a very short duration. So now let us try to increase the duration by providing. So here you can just provide minutes, seconds, milliseconds, microseconds, and also hours, days, but just we required seconds now. So I'm going to provide 5 seconds. So now let's try to run the code and see. So here we are able to find our snack bar is now visible for 5 seconds. Yes, let's see what other parameters we are having. So you can just hold the command button and tap on the snack bar, and if you are using Windows, you can just hold the control button and tap on the snack bar, which will guide you through this extension underscore navigation dot file here. And here you can see we have made use of title, message, duration, and color text. So basically I don't want to change the text color now. You can also assign some widgets here. And now what we will try is like, so currently is our snack bar dismissible? Let us see. So yes, our snack bar is now dismissible, but one thing, we will make our snack bar position to bottom, so for which we have a parameter called snack position here. So now let us make use of it and try to snack position, and here snack. So here you can see we are having snack position top, bottom. So now let us try to select the bottom and now try to refresh the code, and here you can see we are now able to get snack from the bottom. So now let us try to provide background color here, colors dot cn. So let us try to see the output. Yes, our background color is now changed successfully. And also let us try to see some more options available here. And you can notice the major thing, like we don't have any context here. So this is an easy way to handle a snack bar actually. So sometimes based on the context you might experience some crashes, so you can avoid those issues by using this way. So is dismissible. So now let us try is, so currently we were able to see that our snack bar is now dismissible. And now let us try to disable it. So now we have specified false here, and now you can see you cannot disable your snack bar now. So by default it is true here, and you can just go through this. So here you can see by default our snack bar is dismissible, and here you can also provide on tap functionality here. So currently you can just provide your own functionality by making use of on tap here. So currently I don't want to provide any functionality for my snack bar. So you are having show progress indicator, and you can also select the dismiss direction also here, vertical or horizontal. And here snack style, currently it's by default it is floating, so you can just alter it, snack style. So when you make it to grounded, you can just observe it will be like a bottom sheet. So here you can see we got an snack bar from the bottom, which will be same, it's only a design aspect, that's all. So let us make it to floating. So by default it is floating. You may even skip specifying floating. By default it is in a floating style only. And What are the few other things here? You can see you can also assign your snack bar to a form here, and overlay color, overlay blur. So this is also a very good feature. So what does this do is like overlay blur, and you can specify opacity here. And now let us try. So here you can observe the screen. Now you can observe the title, you can observe the name of the button, snack bar, and when your snack bar is visible here, you can see it's somewhat blur light, it is somewhat blur, you can notice here. And you can just increase and value, and now you can just, here you can see it's now completely, our screen is blur until the snack bar is visible. So, and these are all again the general aspects, border color, border width. So these are the few parameters we have gone through using the snack bar. So I hope you understood the basic example of using snack bar using GetX. So it's as simple as just making use of a text widget in your application. And in our further coming tutorials, we will be seeing examples on GetX, routing mechanism, state management concepts, and also dependency injection. So yes, this is it for this tutorial, and the code for this tutorial is available in the description section below. And if you are having any queries on this tutorial, do let me know in the comment section below. And if you like this tutorial, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content on Flutter.